Myself Mureshwar Naik from SY BCom. I am here to talk about entrepreneurship development. Introduction. Ratan Tata was born in December 28, 1937 into the famous Tata family. Ratan Tata completed his BSc degree in architecture with structural engineering from Cornell University in 1962 and the advanced management program from Harvard Business School in 1975. He joined the Tata Group in December 1962 after turning down a job with IBM on the advice of J.R.D. Tata. Ratan Tata has been the chairman of Tata Sons, the promoter company of Tata Group since 1991. Successor to Ratan Tata. TCS went public in 1974 and was listed on the NSE, BSE and NYSE. In 1998, Tata Motors introduced his brainchild, the Tata Indica. The Tata Steel's acquisition of Dutch steel major Corus in 2007. Tata Motors taking over UK's Jaguar and Land Rover. Sir Ratan Tata says, question the unquestionable and a promise is a promise. Awards and recognitions. On occasion of India's 50th Republic Day on 26 January 2000, Ratan Tata was honored with the Padma Bhushan. He was one of the recipients of NASSCOM Global Leadership Awards 2008, given at a ceremony of February 14, 2008 in Mumbai. He was listed among the 25 most powerful people in business named by Fortune magazine in November 2007. In May 2008, Mr. Tata made it to Times Magazine 2008 list of the world's 100 most influential people. Tata was hailed for unveiling his tiny rupees 1 lakh car Nano. On 29 August 2008, the government of Singapore conferred honorary citizenship on Ratan Tata in recognition of his abiding business relationship with the island nation and his contribution to the growth of high-tech sectors in Singapore. Ratan Tata is first Indian to receive this honor. In 2009, he was appointed as Honorary Knight Commander of the British Empire. Ratan Tata, Tata Group Chairman, retired on December 2012. The search for successor to Ratan Tata gathered momentum after India's biggest conglomerate said a 5-member panel would select its next chairman. The successor would be chosen based on his ability to grapple with the complexities of globalized environment. The Group Executive Office defines and reviews the business activities of the Tata Group and is involved in implementing programs in corporate governance, human resource, the environment, etc. Besides Chairman Ratan Tata, the GEO comprises R. Gopal Krishnan, Ishant Hussain, Kishore Chaukar, and Arun Kumar Gandhi. The GEO, excluding Ratan Tata, is responsible for selecting the successor to the conglomerate. This is the first such effort by an Indian business group to professionalize the search for a new leader. Sir Ratan Tata says, the company is not pushing me out, I am choosing to go out. It's my desire. Thank you.